Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we've been in the Corvette, but since the KLX is getting a ported head right now, I figured now would be a good time for a Corvette video while I'm waiting for the KLX to get done. Today we got to change the oil and we're gonna head to my friend's house, and hey, we might even take him for a ride in the twisties. Oh look, a Tesla Model Y. That's pretty cool. As you can see, it is a great day out today. It is a cool 82 degrees. Hopefully we can get some action here in the twisties. But hey, I will see you guys there. Alright, got it up on the lift here. Got our lift pucks under here. Had to drive it up on blocks, but we should be go to lift it up and get the oil done. Alright, so under the car here, looking at the starter grounds, and one of the issues for the no fobs detected is the ground on the starter, and I can see one up there. And I can definitely see a little bit of green on it. Anyways, up there looks like it might be corroded, so that's something I need to check out and hopefully clean. So those could be my no fobs detected issue, but first we gotta get this oil drained and changed. And I think,
damn, that laminar flow going.
oh yeah, it doesn't even look like it's moving. Alright, got the filter off, drained the oil from the pan, got the bolt in. Now we just gotta go ahead and put the filter back on and then fill it up. That's an important step. Don't want to start it up without the oil. Alright, so before we put this back down, I just want to make sure I have some good shots here for my grounds. I think that passenger block ground, like people were saying on the forums up there, definitely needs to be cleaned. It looks like it has some corrosion. And there's another one, oh, on the starter itself. That looks like the one that goes to the battery cable. And that's another one they told me to check, so I'm probably gonna have to do those at some point here. But those two look like the ones that are probably causing my no fob detected issue. Down she goes. So we're going to go ahead and prime it first, so that way we don't get a big fat zero on the oil pressure gauge here. So let's go ahead and do that. Foot on the gas and the brake. Go ahead and crank it over for a little bit. At least get a little bit of oil pressure built in it before we go ahead and fire it up.
Good stuff.
Alright, well I think that should be good. Let's go ahead and fire it up.
Actually, bro?
Is it actually supercharged?
No, I'm just saying that for the fun of it. How's she looking?
About half a quart low, just like it should be. So go ahead and add the rest of that oil in.
Let's do it.
Huh?
Where's your push button?
See by the right there?
This one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Just to start, you just push it?
Foot on the brake and then just push it.
So it's not gonna break or anything, right?
No. You're starting it. Rev it to 4. Just rah. That sounds sick from out here.
Alright, let's pop her off. What do you say?
Yeah. Let's go rip.
What's that sound?
Oh, that's asking if you want to shut it off or run. So push the bottom again.
Oh, that's fine. Just keep going.
I get black smoke out the back sometimes. You knew what's up? Go by. Too many bald eagles flying in front of my house.
Yee yee, brother.
Yes, sir. Change that, Harley. All you guys on the KDX videos telling me to get a Harley. I don't know. Give the Harley some room.
Go. What the fuck?
It's a Toyota.
No, I mean, yeah, and it's a RAV4 too, so what do you expect?
That Prius was trying to outrun us more than this.
Yeah, this grandma car's over here in the grocery getter. Just, you know, she doesn't have enough bald eagles. It's from Japan. What do you expect?
They got the murder hornets though. Now watch, I'm just gonna turn it.
Of course, as soon as we cut the camera,
As soon as we
shit
cut it.
happens.
Alright guys, finished here with the oil change and giving them a ride. So now we're gonna go ahead, leave, give them a flyby, hit the twisties, and get back home. Alright guys, we made it back home, got all cleaned up. But that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed already, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on. We got a lot of stuff coming with the KLX. And we're going to be having some fun here with the Corvette in the summer. And we're also working on a couple other things. But you guys got to stay tuned for that. With all that being said, join the club. And I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the motherfucking greatest. Yeah, I'm the greatest. Bitch, my competition, they don't fit.